Have you ever wanted to make a big purchase but didn't have the cash up front? If so, you're not alone. Many people find themselves in this situation, and it can be frustrating. But with GrabPay, you don't have to worry about saving up for months or even years. You can use GrabPay's installment payment option to make your dream purchase a reality. GrabPay is a mobile wallet app that allows you to make payments for goods and services. It's a convenient and easy-to-use way to pay for things like groceries, transportation, and even your monthly bills. One of the great things about GrabPay is that it offers an installment payment option. This means that you can split your purchase into smaller, more manageable payments over time. This is a great option if you don't have the full amount up front or if you want to spread out the cost of a big purchase. How to pay installment with GrabPay. Download the Grab app from the App Store or Google Play. Create a Grab account. Add your credit or debit card to your GrabPay wallet. Find the merchant you want to make a purchase from. Select GrabPay as your payment method. Choose the installment payment option. Enter the number of installments you want to make. Confirm your purchase. Once you've completed these steps, your purchase will be split into smaller payments. You'll receive a notification from GrabPay each time a payment is made. Benefits of using GrabPay's installment payment option. No interest. There are no interest charges associated with using GrabPay's installment payment option. Flexible. You can choose the number of installments that you want to make. Convenient. You can make payments directly from your GrabPay app. Track your payments. You can easily track your payments and see how much you still owe. GrabPay's installment payment option is a great way to make big purchases more affordable. If you're looking for a convenient and flexible way to pay for things, I highly recommend giving GrabPay a try. Thanks for watching.